Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem solution. So this error happens when your phone number has been banned or restricted from using WhatsApp. This happens if you violate the WhatsApp terms of services. So in order to solve this problem, first you need to head into your WhatsApp. Then on the upper right corner, tap on three dotted line, tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Tap on Help Center. Once you are on the Help Center of WhatsApp, you can scroll down and you need to tap on Contact Us option. On this page, you need to tap on the first Contact Us link that reads WhatsApp Messenger Support. So tap on Contact Us. On this page, to solve your problem, you need to enter the phone number, country's code, email address. You need to confirm email address and the device you are using the WhatsApp, and you need to enter the message below. Once you are done filling up all the credentials on this page, you can tap on next step. You need to tap on send question. So your question has been sent. So once you have submitted the request, after 24 hours or a few days, you will be easily find out the solution for the problem. To fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp problem. So I hope this video was useful for you. If this video is useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an upcoming upload from our channel. Thank you.